Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Callie and I make skincare, health and wellness, general lifestyle type videos. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite anti-aging skincare hacks. Anti-aging has been a really big focus in my skincare routine for the past, 4 to 5 years. Ever since I was like a sophomore in college and I looked in the mirror one day and saw 2 lines on my forehead and had a little bit of a panic attack because I was 19, 20 and to look in the mirror and see lines in my forehead was like such a novel thing. So ever since then, I've been trying my hardest to focus on anti-aging in my skincare routine and in general life. Luckily, my wrinkle in my forehead have improved dramatically. So hopefully these skincare tips can help for you guys as well. So my first tip is to make sure that you're wearing sunscreen. I'm guessing you understand the importance of wearing sunscreen when it just comes to like sun protection and not getting sunburned and those types of things, but if you want to know more about it, I did do a video on sunburn prevention and treatment, so if you want to, know more about it, go check that out. But you might not know that sunscreen actually reverses signs of aging. Basically, the reason for this is that your skin turns over every 28 days. So every 28 days you have a new layer of skin, your skin is fresh and open to the elements. And when you wear sunscreen every day, not only will the sunscreen protect your skin from accumulating more and more and more sun damage, wearing sunscreen every day allows your skin to actually heal itself and repair some of that damage without it having to constantly battle the UV exposure that you're leaving your skin to deal with if you're not wearing sunscreen. It makes a lot of sense when you think about it. I always make sure to wear sunscreen on my hands as well. Your hands are easily one of the biggest giveaways to premature aging because they develop sunspots really, really easily. So if you're trying to prevent signs of aging, make sure to wear sunscreen every day on your face as well as on your hands. So my second hack for anti-aging is to know what's causing your fine lines and wrinkles. It's crucial to understand the reason that your wrinkles are forming because that helps you better understand what you need to do to prevent and combat them. With me, when I found the lines on my forehead, first thing I did was that I figured out that they are expression lines. Expression lines are basically the result of a repeated facial expression. Because you're doing that same facial expression so many times over and over again, it's causing your skin to lose elasticity and it's creating creases in your skin. Once I realized that that was what was causing the forehead lines, I took some steps to become aware as to what I was doing with my face throughout the day. And basically, after months of trying to figure this out, I came to the conclusion that I basically had my eyebrows raised for any expression, whether I was sad, happy, mad, confused, eyebrows always raised. It just looked like I was surprised all the time. It made no sense. After taking the time to retrain myself to not have my eyebrows raised at all times and look like a crazy person, that dramatically helped me reduce my forehead lines, and they look way better now than what they once were. And also, bonus tip if you have expression lines in your face, definitely consider sleeping with tape on them, which sounds weird, but basically while you're sleeping, you're dreaming and you're living out your dream, your body's still reacting to what you're dreaming about, so you're still making facial expressions while you're sleeping. So a good way to help reduce the expression lines in your face is to sleep with tape like on your forehead or maybe just like right here because your smile lines are also an expression line. Sleeping with tape on your expression lines will really help reduce their appearance and the depth of those lines. That's essentially why it's really important to understand what your wrinkles are and what's causing them so you can more accurately make a plan to help them. So my third anti-aging hack is to use a DERMAROLLER, aka a MICRONEEDLER. If you're not familiar with a DERMAROLLER, basically what it is a kind of like a jade roller where it's like a stick and that has a wheel of needles at the end that you roll all over your face. Well, I know that sounds very scary and painful. It's not as bad as you think. I had my DERMAROLLER for 3 months before I used it because it took me that long to work up the courage to try it, but it's really not that bad. All it is just a light tingle, and how much it hurts will really depend on the needle size. So it's definitely a good idea to start with the smallest needle that you can find, just to get your skin used to it. Derma rolling is really, really good for your skin because it reduces wrinkles, it can help with acne scars, it can help with stretch marks, with discoloration, and enhances your skin's ability to absorb the products that you're putting on it. But derma rolling creates a bunch of microscopic wounds in your skin that triggers collagen as well as elastin production. Because it's creating all those tiny little holes in your skin, that allows the skincare products that you put on afterwards to penetrate your skin more deeply, and so they'll do better things for your skin, and your skin will get more benefits from them. How often you should use a derma roller is often up to how big the needles are that are on the derma roller. I tend to use mine once every other week because my skin does get pretty red and inflamed after I use it. Also, the needle size of the derma roller as well well as whether you need to use numbing cream depends on what goals you're trying to achieve with dermarolling. And then after you dermaroll, the best thing you can do is use either a hydrating sheet mask or some type of serum to replenish your skin and help it heal from all the little microscopic wounds that you've just given it. Personally, I use a 0.25 millimeter dermaroller, which is one of the smallest sizes that you can get. I'm kind of new to dermarolling, so I'm kind of wanting to just get my skin used to it before I go up in size, which you can have more beneficial results to your skin, especially for anti-aging if you have a larger needle, but I just need to adjust my skin to dermarolling before I proceed with any of that. So the 0.25 millimeter is actually really good for dealing with enlarged pores, acne, and discoloration, all things which I deal with, so it's not exactly the worst step to take. Eventually I would like to move up to the 0.5 millimeter, one step at a time, people. I've loved dermarolling so far because I can really see a huge improvement in my skin after I do it, and I see a huge difference in absorption of my skincare products after I dermaroll and the extra benefits that they can provide to my skin than when I don't dermaroll. So it's definitely a great thing to incorporate into your skincare routine. So my fourth hack is a little bit different, and it is to shave your face. Now, before you start judging me, I would like to just note that Elizabeth Taylor, Marilyn Monroe, and Cleopatra all shaved their faces, and they looked fabulous, so you know this might be a good tip to follow. It's probably my favorite one that I have on this list, to be completely honest, besides sunscreen, because that's just a given that's most important always. So shaving your face not only removes the hair from your face, but it also is a good exfoliation technique for your skin, and that allows your makeup to go on way smoother. It makes your skin have this glowy and dewy texture, as well as exfoliating your skin and allowing products to absorb better into your skin. Shaving your face removes some of the extra dead skin and the hair, which are a lot of the times really big barriers to skincare products fully absorbing into your skin, and sometimes can really prevent you from getting all the benefits of your skincare products. I've been shaving my face for the past 3 months, and I'm seriously so obsessed. Like, shaving my face has been the best new thing that I've tried in a very long time. And no, my hair did not grow back thicker, and no, it did not grow back darker. It's still blonde, and I still don't have very much hair because I'm not a hairy person. So ultimately, what grows back is genetically predetermined. So you don't have anything to worry about that you're not already dealing with. Just to give you guys an example of how truly life-changing this has been for me and how effective it is, I've been getting chemical peels since I was in high school. So while they've always been really helpful in dealing with my acne, they've never completely cleared up my skin. After the first time I dermaplanned, the week after I had a chemical peel, and I didn't really plan on doing that way. It just kind of was an impulse decision to like shave my face and let's see how this goes. And then the next week I just had a chemical peel. I seriously had never seen such positive results from a chemical peel in my probably 10 years of getting them done. Personally, I think it was getting rid of the hair on my face and the dead skin cell buildup helped the peel sink deeper into my skin and actually really combat the acne that I have, instead of the peel just sitting on top of the dead skin and on top of the hair on my face. And so it allowed it to be way more effective not having that there. That chemical peel cleared up my skin so well that I didn't have a single pimple on my face for like the next 2 weeks after, for the first time in like probably since I was 12. It was so amazing, and I cannot recommend this more. It was seriously so insane. I was so excited, and I will never not go back to like not shaving again. Never again. If you're super nervous about shaving your face and like worried about shaving off an eyebrow, you can always go to a medical spa or something like that and have an esthetician do it, and you can have like them dermaplane your skin, which is a little bit more intense version of shaving your face, where they use a 10 gauge scalpel to do it, and they remove a lot more dead skin cells that way. Plus you're having a professional do it, so you don't have to worry about shaving off an eyebrow. If you guys would like me to do a tutorial on how I shave my face or how I dermaroll, leave a comment down below and I can accommodate your request. On to my last anti-aging skincare hack, which is vitamin C serum. I also did a video on vitamin C serum a few weeks ago, and so if you want to know more about that, definitely go check that out. Basically what you need to know is that vitamin C is a really powerful antioxidant, and antioxidants are the probably most important thing that fights free radicals damaging your skin and causing premature aging and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C helps combat that process and keeps your skin younger and more youthful looking. looking. It promotes collagen production, so it fills in fine lines and wrinkles, and vitamin C is really helpful in protecting your skin from the sun. So it's a great thing to use in the morning in combination with your sunscreen. So yeah, it's a great thing to put in your skincare routine. My favorite vitamin C serum is the Ole Henriksen Truth Serum, but there's so many different options out there, so you'll definitely be able to find one in your budget that you love. So that's all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like because it really supports my channel, and make sure to subscribe because I put out new videos every Monday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!